Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to turn off right-click lock on Roblox. Firstly, we have to go to the search panel and type Roblox player. Then click on open. Now go to any game you want. So I'll get to my game. Then click on the play button. After getting into the game, press escape to go to the settings menu, then go to settings. Now in the camera mode, set it to camera toggle, then return to the game. And now if you right click from your mouse, you will be able to control the facing of your character and not have to press and hold your right click anymore. So that is how you can easily turn off right click lock on Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.